hope you're well. So it's not a recipe video this week.
Hi guys, I'm just going to show you a really quick and easy cupcake recipe. This recipe will give you about 12 cupcakes. Hi guys, hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So recently I posted a picture on my Instagram of a school dinner cake that I made for my kids. It's very simple and easy to make. And if you've been to a primary school in the UK, then I'm sure you remember this from your childhood. I had like a million messages asking for the recipe. Well, not a million, loads of messages. So I'm going to show you how. So as promised, let's get straight into it. Want to make the best chicken shish with an Indian and Turkish twist? Want to make the best chicken shish with an Indian and Turkish twist? Watch this. Doing that. You got eat all the, bleh. Hey guys, hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen.
Hi guys, hope you're well. So it's not a recipe video this week. I'm really excited to share something with you today. I've just received a delivery, so let's take a look. So let's unbox this thing. And we have a letter here. And let me just quickly read the first paragraph. So it says, you've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. Now, if you guys want to read the whole letter, then I will post it up on my socials so you can take a look. So just put that aside and let's just take a look what's inside. And there it is, a silver, if I can get it out, a silver creator award. And it says for passing 100,000 subscribers. So let's just take it out of the plastic here and then just move this aside. I want to say a massive thank you to you guys, to everybody that has subscribed to my channel, who have supported me with your likes and your comments and your feedback. You guys have made it possible. So personally, this is not for me, this is an award for you. And I know YouTube has sent this to me because you've made it happen. I want to thank YouTube. I've really enjoyed working on this platform. It's really helped me develop on a personal level. For those of you who know me, they know I'm quite shy, I'm reserved to a certain extent, and even now I am. And it's also given me the opportunity to meet and work with some amazing people along the way. So thank you for watching and enjoying everything that I've done so far. There's plenty more I want to share with you. So stay awesome, stay blessed, and keep cooking.